Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, let us solve questions related to ages. Okay, so our question is the ages of Peter and Johnson are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their percentages? So, first you can divide any timeline into present, past, future. So, he is asking about percentages of Johnson and Peter, right? So any question related to ages problem, they'll ask you only for trying to find present ages, not for future and not for past. So to find present ages, so he's asking us to find present age. So let me assume that present age of Peter and present of Johnson, present age of Peter is 5x and percentage of Johnson will be 7x. Why I am assuming that 7x and 5x is any ratio quantity can be ratio quantity means comparing. So if he is Peter age is 5 times a constant and Johnson age is 7 times a constant. So we don't know that constant value, so that we are taking that constant as an x. So 5x and 7x. If there is anything in the ratio, you have to like assume like this. In place of x, you can assume k or y or z anything, right? And future. Future means what this sentence is doing after 4 years. After 4 years, let us assume your age is now 13. Let me assume your age is 13. After 4 years, what would be your age? Your age will be 13 plus 4, 17. Definitely you will say 17 because you're adding 4 to your previous age, your present age. Okay, not previous. Your present, you are going to add 4 to your present age and you will say answer 17. So now, in this case, he is saying that 4 years later means Peter age increased by 4 years and Johnson age is also increased by 4 years. Okay, so after 4 years means you have to add 4 years. If you go to past, if he discussed, if he mentioned uh, 4 years before, you have to subtract it. Okay, if he mentioned 4 years before, you have to subtract it. If he mentioned 4 years later, you have to add. Clear? So now after 4 years, 4 years Peter age will be 5x plus 4 and Johnson age will be 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. Clear? Next, what he's saying, sum of their ages will be 56 years. So age of Peter and age of Johnson is equal to 56 years. Age of Peter after 4 years, what now? 5x plus 4 and plus age of Johnson. Age of Johnson is equals to 7x plus 4 is equal to 56 years. Isn't it? Right? Can I rub this question now? I'll rub this only. So 5x plus 7x, how much? That is 12x plus 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to 56. Now send 8 to RHS. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 50 minus 8, 40. Right, 48. So x is equal to 48 by 12. 12 ones, 12 fours. That is equal to x is equal to 4 years. That means present age of Peter is 5x. So Peter's age, present age of Peter is equal to 5x. So 5 into 4, that will be 20 years. And present age of John, similarly, present age of Johnson is equal to 7 into 4, that is equals to 28 years. Clear? Clear? What we have done? So he said that ages are in ratio 5:7. Then we assumed that Peter net percentage of Peter 5x and Johnson 7x. After 4 years, their ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. And he is saying that condition after 4 years, sum of their ages is equal to 56 years. Now age of Peter 5x plus 4 and age of Johnson 7x plus 4. So if you add those two variables one side and constants one side, you will get answer x is equal to 4 years. Is x is percentage of Johnson? No. Age of percentage of Peter is 5 into x. 5 into 4 is equal to 20 years, and the percentage of Johnson is equal to 7 into 4, 28 years. Clear? Thank you for watching.